in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 13 or 13 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Android smartphone that you have, you will be able to follow these steps to export all of your contacts and synchronize them between Android and an iOS device. So to do this, we will be using a Gmail account in conjunction with the Contacts app. So you will need to have a Gmail account connected to your Android device and eventually your iPhone. Open the Contacts app and then access the menu. You have to go into the options to manage all of your contacts. This is going to differ for every single smartphone. For Samsung, it is going to be on these little three dots here, but depending on your phone, it could be three lines at the top left or in another location. Find the option to access the menu, manage contacts, and then among the options, you will find export contacts. This is what allows you to send your contacts to another device or location. So choose export contacts, and you will now be able to select all of your contacts or choose specific ones. So just select them, and once you are ready to export, you will be able to choose between different locations, such as your SIM card, the internal storage of the phone. Just ignore those, and the one that you are looking for, like I said, is your Gmail account. So you have to export your contacts to Gmail. If you don't see it here, go into your phone's settings and make sure that you have your Gmail account connected. Now, on the iPhone's settings, access the Mail options, then go into Accounts, and inside of Accounts, you will see the option to add a new account. Choose Add, and you will be able to choose from which service you want to add an account. Google will be among the options, and when you select it from the list, you will now be able to tap on your account to manage it and make sure that contact synchronization is enabled. Once you enable to synchronize the contacts of your Gmail or Google account, you will be good to go. You will still see the contacts that you had previously on your iPhone, but now the contacts that you exported will also appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.